Hey, fifth grade. Happy Tuesday. Today, what we're going to do is we are going to just talk about some of our reasonings for our topics. Okay, so think back to the topic that you chose for your persuasive essay. We're going to talk about it today and some different reasons why you believe that that's true. Okay, so everything that I do today is going to be my own example. You're going to come up with your own. Okay, so do not copy what I write. Think of your topic and think of your reasons. Okay, so we're going to think of 3 different reasons today. And for each reason, we're going to think about a little extra, a little bit more information, a little bit more of your opinion. That's going to help us kind of know more about what you're thinking and why you believe what you believe. Okay, so I'm going to get started today. The topic that I'm going to write about to show you is okay, so my topic that I chose is doctors and nurses deserve to get paid more than pro athletes. Okay, right now they don't. Professional athletes make a lot more money. Okay, so my first reason is so there's my topic and my first reason. So I want you to think about, before we move on, think about what topic you chose and what's your first reason for why that's true. Okay. We're going to start doing a little bit of research tomorrow. We're not going to do it yet, so you don't have to think about all the numbers and data and science behind it. We're going to do that tomorrow. Okay. Right now, I just want you to think about some reasons. Okay, so the first reason that I said is they are saving lives. That's the first reason why I think doctors and nurses should get paid more than pro athletes. Okay, now I'm going to tell a little bit more about that. So I said that they are saving lives. Let's think a little bit more. Okay, so a little bit extra for my reason. Pro athletes, they aren't saving lives. Okay. Everything that we do today is going to be on separate slides. So your topic will be on a slide, and you'll go to reason number 1, then reason number 2, then reason number 3. Okay. I want you to pause here for a second if you're still thinking about reason number 1 and a little bit extra that you can say about your reason number 1. Okay. Otherwise, I'm going to keep going. So reason number 2. So doctors and nurses should get paid more than pro athletes. Second reason why. They have a lot of debt from school, so they deserve to get paid more. So they can pay back that debt. Debt just means money that you owe people. Usually, if you want to go to school or college or university, you have to take out loans, and then you have to pay them back. Before you pay them back, it's called debt. All right, so they have debt. Tell me more. Let's see. Tell me more about that debt thing. So pro athletes rarely have student debt. When they go to school, when they go to college, then they're going to go and play in the professional, basketball or football. Usually they get scholarships and they don't really have to pay as much as normal students. So they usually don't have very much debt. So they don't need as much money. Okay, so there's my reason number 2 and a little bit extra about it. You're still working on your reason number 2 and your extra. You can pause right here, and I'm going to move on to number 3. Okay, so reason number 3 why doctors and nurses deserve to get paid more than pro athletes. Okay. They work long shifts all year long, right? So it doesn't matter. They don't really get, maybe they get, vacations with Christmas. Um, Maybe they take vacations with their families and things. For the most part, they work all year long and their shifts are long. They're usually about 12 hours long. It's a long time. 12 hours. If you go into work at 8 a.m., you don't get done until 8 p.m. It's 12 hours. Okay. So thinking a little bit more about how long they work, let's see, pro athletes, what about them? Think about their seasons. Okay, so sports seasons only go a few months. If you think about like baseball or football or soccer, those outdoor sports, you can't play in the winter. So they only go a few months. They don't play it all year round. They don't work all year round like these doctors and nurses do. Okay, so there we go. That's all we're doing today. All we did today was we found 3 reasons and a little bit extra about those reasons. And that's going to help us start to zero in on some research for tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow, like I said, we're going to be looking on the internet and we're going to be seeing if we can find some other people who agree with us and we can use their words, we can use their data, their science, whatever, and put it into our essay. Okay. Just a quick little thing before you exit out. We have 3 weeks left of school. I know that seems crazy. Of assignments, we have 4 real weeks of school. Remember that the last week of school that we have is just to make up any work that you did not finish over distance learning. Okay. So I please, I really recommend that if you are somebody who is continuing to keep up on your work, keep that up because then you don't have to do anything that last week of school. Okay. You just have to answer the attendance questions and that's it. All right. But if you start to fall behind, then you're going to have a lot of work to catch up on that last week of school. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know.